First and foremost, I want to give all praise, all honor, and all glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rachak Kodash. I also want to give double honors to our apostles and the elders of Great Millstone that do rule well through the Holy Spirit. And I want to say peace, blessing, and salutations unto you elect, who are scattered throughout the four winds of this earth, fulfilling your lots in all truth and all sincerity. I'm the brother Sha'ar from the Great Millstone Dallas branch, coming to you all with another quick lesson, another lesson tutorial. Lord willing, is edifying to the flock. And about a week and a half ago, I did a tutorial on how to make homemade kombucha. And in that tutorial, I made mention of a second fermentation phase after the first batch gets done fermenting. And as you all can see, that is the current bottle of kombucha. That SCOBY that I use, you can see it. It's hard to see, but it's down there at the very bottom. And a whole new SCOBY got created, which as y'all can see, that layer right there, that is a baby SCOBY. And it's a little thin, you know. Some people let it sit a little longer, but my pH was already at about a 2.5 in here. So I didn't want it to sit longer and become more acidic. Because the more acidic it becomes, the more probable it is to accumulate mold and such. So the SCOBY is big enough, as you all can see. Right here, let me go on and pull this off actually, this rubber band. All right, so as you see here, the new SCOBY has been created. Has that tannish brown color. You see those spots that are on there. Those are, you know, pieces of yeast that are floating around because again, yeast has been created. And that yeast that's been created, it was eating all the sugars within this, which caused it to turn like a lightish brownish orange color. Because remember when you all seen the first video, it was a lot darker than this. You can actually see through it and see again the first SCOBY, and this is the new SCOBY that got created. So I'm gonna take this up and bottle it. Okay, and you wanna make sure you wanna get a nice, something that's secure because it's gonna create a lot of pressure. And you wanna make sure you have a bottle that can withstand that pressure because people have experiences where bottles burst and such due to the pressure. So I'm gonna go through the second phase, and this is what's gonna give it that carbonation and that fizz. So I'm gonna be making different flavors, and as you all see down here, I have ginger and I have 2 lemons here. So I have my juicer, and I'm gonna be juicing part of this ginger and part of this lemon here, and I might put a little bit of sugar in there just because these don't hold too much sugar. You know, it's very acidic, and you know, obviously ginger is a little acidic as well. You know, but I'm gonna put a little sugar in there to help everything in here eat away at this, including those sugars. And this is gonna give it the flavor, all right? So this is going to be a lemon ginger kombucha like you find in the store, but it's gonna be homemade. And I have tons of other different flavors, tons of other different fruits that I'm gonna be experimenting with. Well, not tons, I'd rather say a few, but I'm gonna be experimenting with. So I ended up juicing a piece of ginger and a whole lemon and put a little sugar in here. And I filled the kombucha, not all the way to the top. I didn't want to fill it up too high because it's going to get extremely carbonated. And I'm going to ferment this for about 2, maybe 3 days. We'll see. I'm going to burp it every day, test the carbonation and such. But this is my first time doing this, and I've heard it gets extremely carbonated. So I didn't want to fill it up any more than this. And I got to get to work here shortly, so I'm going to try to bottle up at least one more lemon ginger. I'm going to try to bottle up one more of those and do the rest of them tonight, Lord willing, when I get home from work. But yeah, shalom, shalom. All right, shalom, shalom. So this is the final product. As you all see, it got a little lower because I had what you call a kombucha explosion, meaning when you open it up, and it carbonates so much that it shot out. So had to let it, you know, fizzle down for a few hours and burp it a little bit, you know, but I'm getting ready to crack it open and pour the brother up before it continues to overside. Okay, so yeah, you see, starting to carbonate. You see that, right?
There he is.
So this is ginger grape kombucha. Got the Zaquan Kadar right over there.
Shalom. Y'all about to
There we go. So, you know, this for the elder right here. Oh shit. Oh shit, so I can. So right here, that way y'all can kind of, you know, see that fizz. go. See all that carbonation. That's what you want. And again, that's ginger grape kombucha. There you go, QD. All right. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Delicious.
Yeah, it tastes way better than store-bought. But you can taste that kombucha like the store-bought, that
Yeah.
essence, that vinegary a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's clearly kombucha.
Man.
But it's better. It's better than the store-bought. They don't put love into it.
Yeah, Jake salt of the earth.
Yeah. I'm glad
His
you
brother,
like it.
hey, his brother did his thing.
Yeah, call Allah y'all by Shimmy
Call
Shai.
Shimon shot.
Yeah, Lord, this was edifying. I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh. By Shimmy Shai, by Shimmy Kakadash, double honors to our apostles and the elders of Great Millstone. Peace and blessing and salutations to you elect, fulfilling your lots in truth and sincerity. Shalom.
Shalom.